So I'm going to solve first question, that is divide. First part is 22, sorry, it is 25 upon 11 by 5 upon 22. Okay. Now you can see we have two rational numbers. So we will write first rational number as it is. It is the dividend, and write division sign instead of by. बाई की जगह पे आपको डिवीजन साइन लिखना है, और सेकंड रेशनल नंबर ये डिवाइजर है, इसको हम एज इट इज लिखेंगे. ओके. देन राइट 25 upon 11, convert division into multiplication and write the reciprocal of second number. Now it becomes simple because 22 can be divided by 11 two times, and 25 is divided by 5 times. So our answer will be 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. 10 is the answer of this question. Okay. Then second is 13 upon 7 by 26 upon 21. Again we will write first fraction division sign 26 upon 21. In this step don't try to write the reciprocal. Okay. It is written in next step. जब भी हम डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लाई में कन्वर्ट करते हैं उसी टाइम आपको रेसिप्रोकल लिखना है, दैट इज 26 अपॉन 27. नाउ ट्राई टू डिवाइड दिस नंबर्स. सो इट इज 7 3 जा 21 and 13 2 जा 26. The answer is 3 upon 2. It is second part. Note it down. Now third part. The question is minus 6 by 3 upon 11. So we use the same concept. Write minus 6 division sign 3 upon 11, then minus 6 into 11 upon 3. Okay. You can write 1 as the denominator below 6. So you can divide 6 by minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2, and the answer is minus 22 upon 1, that is minus 22. This is third part. Now I omit fourth part here. We will solve it. Okay, start with second question. Here I solve question number 2. The question is evaluate. So the meaning of evaluate means you have to perform the operations according to mathematical operators, whether it is multiply, division, addition or subtraction. So first part is 4 upon 5 division sign 9 upon 7. So write the fraction, convert into multiply and write the reciprocal. Okay. And you can see that these numbers cannot be cut. So our answer should be 4 7 ja 28. This is the numerator, and 5 9 ja 45. This is the denominator. The answer is 28 upon 45. Note it down. Move to next part. Question second and second part. It is 6 upon 13 division minus 2 upon 65. So फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन जो है वो डिविडेंड है, इसको हम एज इट इज लिखेंगे. डिवीजन को कन्वर्ट करना है मल्टीप्लाई में, और नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल हमें लिखना होगा, दैट इज 65 upon minus 2. नाउ ट्राई टू divide numerator with the denominator. You know that 13 5 is 65, and if we divide 6 by minus 2 we have minus 3. So the answer is minus 3 into 5, it is minus 15. This is the answer of second part. Now I'm going to solve next part. Either one part I should solve. I think I solve fourth part. It is minus 5 upon 7 division operator, then minus 15 upon 28. So first fraction as it is लिखना है because this is dividend. Convert division into multiply and write the reciprocal of divisor. That is the next fraction. So you can see that 28 is divisible by 7, 7 for the, and you can cut these negative signs, okay, and 5 3 is 15. So the answer is 4 upon 3. Second question is completed. Now move to next question. Question number 3. The product of two rational numbers is minus 13 upon 9. One rational number is minus 26 upon 7. Find the other number. Listen, we assume that let the other number is x. Okay, then according to question we have x into, if one number is minus 26 upon 7, okay, because first number is x and another number is minus 26 upon 7, that is given, and if we multiply both these, the product is minus 13 upon 9, that is given in the question. So x will be minus 13 upon 9 divided by minus 26 upon 7, and it is minus 13 upon 9 convert into multiply. Okay, write reciprocal of next fraction, that is the divisor. Negative signs can be cancelled out, and 13 to the 26. So it is 7 upon 9 into 2, and the answer is 7 upon 18. Means our first number is, whatever the number that we assume is 7 upon 18. Third question is completed. Sometimes you can pause the video, or you can take the screenshot so that it can be used later. Note it down. Next question. Fourth question. By what number should we multiply minus 2 upon 3? So let the number be x. Then by what number should we multiply minus 2 upon 3? So write minus 2 upon 3, so that the product is means equal, it is minus 3 upon 10. So this question is same as question number 3. X is minus 3 upon 10 divided by minus 2 upon 3. Convert division into multiply, write the reciprocal. Again negative signs can be cancelled out, and it is 3 3 is 9 and 10 2 is 20. Remember always, all the numerators are multiplied together, and similarly all the denominators also. And if you want to divide one number by another, then divide a numerator by a denominator. आपको न्यूमरेटर को ही डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करना है, या हम डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, बट न्यूमरेटर्स जो होते हैं साथ में मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं और डिनोमिनेटर्स भी साथ में मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. नोट इट डाउन. Now next question, that is question number 6. Okay, sixth question is cost of 12 pencils. So I write the question, cost of 12 pencils is, question number 6, cost of 12 pencils is rupees 37 and 4 upon 5. Find the cost of one pencil. So in my previous videos I explained the concept that if the information is given about many and it is required to find about only one, we have to perform always division. So just write cost of one pencil is rupees. तो जो भी कॉस्ट है उसको हम 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे बिकॉज टोटल पेंसिल्स आर 12 और ये जो कॉस्ट गिवन है 37 एंड 4/5 ये 12 पेंसिल्स की कॉस्ट है। तो जब भी वन आर्टिकल या वन ऑब्जेक्ट की प्राइस हम फाइंड करते हैं तो नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल से डिवाइड करते हैं। हियर नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स आर 12. नाउ दिस इज अ division with rational numbers, so we have to multiply. This is the mixed fraction 37 and 4/5. We have to convert it into improper fraction. Now multiply 37 with 5, then add 4. Okay, so we multiply. This is a rough work I'm going to do here. This is 185. Okay, and plus 4 upon 5. हमें क्या करना है, 37 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है this way and add 4. So it is 185 plus 4 upon 5. So final fraction is, that is the improper fraction, which is 189 upon 5 divided by 12. Okay, and write rupees also in this way. So it is rupees 189 upon 5, convert into multiply and write the reciprocal of 12. Okay, now can you check that this number is divisible by 12 or not? So 12 is an even number, it is not divisible, but we can check with the digit sum. So 1, 8 and 9, the digit sum is 18. So this is divisible by 3. Okay, divide 12 by 3, that is 3 4 12, and divide 189 by 3, it is 63. Okay, and again we have 63 upon 20 because numerator is 63 1 63 and denominator is 5 4 20, and this is an improper fraction, so convert it into proper fractions. Now see, this is the rough work, you don't need to show in your fair copy. We have to divide 63 by 20, so it is 20 3 60 and the remainder is 3. So mixed fraction will be 3 and 3 upon 20. 3 and 3 upon 20. So we can say that the cost of one pencil is rupees 3 and 3 upon 20. Okay, this is the important question, I think. Note it down. We solve next question. So next question is 7. I am going to solve question number 7, and the remaining questions will be solved by you as a part of assignment. This question is, by what number should minus 9 upon 20 be divided to get minus 3 upon 2. It means ऐसा कोई नंबर पॉसिबल है जिसको हम माइनस 9 अपॉन 20 से माइनस 9 अपॉन 20 को उस नंबर से डिवाइड करके आंसर जो आएगा वो माइनस 3 अपॉन 2 होगा। एंड इफ यू ट्रांसलेट दिस स्टेटमेंट into a mathematical statement, then your answer will be correct. तो अगर हम बिल्कुल करेक्ट तरीके से करेक्ट वे में इस ऑपरेशंस को लिखते हैं तभी आंसर आ पाएगा, अदरवाइज आंसर रॉन्ग होगा. सो क्वेश्चन इज बाई व्हाट नंबर शुड -9/20 be divided. By what number means let the required number be x. Then you can also write according to the question. आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं according to question. So then -9/20 is divided by x. बिकॉज ये लिखा है कि by what number should -9/20 be divided. मतलब -9/20 को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करें टू गेट मीन्स इक्वल. द आंसर इज 3/2. ओके, सो it becomes simpler. Listen now to find the value of x. Okay, so we will interchange the divisor and the quotient. So if x goes to right hand side, then -3/2 comes to the left hand side, it becomes the divisor. So the value of x will be, it is -9/20. Division is converted into multiply and write the reciprocal. Again negative signs are cancelled out. 3 3 ja 9 and 2 10 ja 20. So we have x equals to 3/10. This is the answer. Okay students, you should note it down and try to solve question number 8 also, and the question which I left, that is question number 5, and all those parts of question number first and second, you will solve these parts. And again I want to let you remember about your first test. Revise both the chapters, chapter number 1 and 2, and I hope you will study honestly and try to obtain good marks. Best of luck.